What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Get Technical. My name is Neil Hamilton. With me, as always, is Aaron. Just kidding. It's Spencer Israel. Spencer, what's up?
What's up? What's up? How we doing?
Doing wonderful. I like that little pro wrestler gesture that you just did. I like that. Somewhere between a sassy grandma and a professional wrestler. Guys, we're here to talk about movie theater stocks, the hottest sector.
One of the hottest sectors. No, it's the hottest sector. Well, it actually depends.
It's the hottest sector in the whole damn market. Movie theaters are what's in, guys. So grab a ticket, rip off the little perforated or whatever it's called spot, hand it to the guy that just sits there on the stool, or the gal, and buckle up. Hey, because Spencer Israel is about to talk about AMC.
All right. So you know what's interesting about this, guys? This is one of the many stats that sort of puts this thing in perspective today. So there was this ETF, right? The ETF ticker is SFYF. This is a social finance, I don't know, top 50. What is it? It's
what's the TLDR?
Yeah, the TLDR on this ETF, it's a social 50 ETF, is that this morning, AMC accounted for 14% of this ETF.
In holdings? Wait.
Yes, 14% of the fund was weighted towards AMC.
Look at this motherfucker. All right, hold on. All right.
This morning. Wait. I didn't finish, though.
But this thing's breaking out.
Well, that was this morning.
Okay.
Now, AMC is 26%. The weighting of AMC in this
smart move on the ETF managers. I'm assuming it's actively managed.
It's no. It's a market cap thing. It's
because the market. Yeah. What did their market cap break? Some round number.
AMC is going up, and it has to take up more of the fund. So,
guys, if you traded AMC today, let's put a 1 in chat.
It's rules based.
That's insane, Spencer.
So
Spencer, as we all know, is the ETF authority here at Benzinga. That's the ETF angle on AMC. Yeah. Damn, that was a little flash breakout. Guys, if you're trading AMC, give me that 1 in chat. Let's go. So what you just saw was a little breakout of a nice little pennant that we got here. Yes, you can apply technical analysis to AMC.
You know what's interesting as well is there is Goldman Sachs came out this morning and downgraded there's only 3 movie theater stocks, right? And Goldman Sachs downgraded 2 of them, but not AMC. They're afraid, I think, to downgrade AMC.
Yeah.
And anyway, just so many angles here.
AMC is it's no one wants to talk about it because they're afraid of retribution from people on the internet. But guys, let's face it, AMC is popping on concerted efforts from retail traders.
Yes.
And that concerted effort is centered around the concept of a short squeeze. And you can apply technical analysis to this thing, but one thing I'll be very aware of is the RSI. Just watch the RSI, guys.
Oh.
Look for when we previously got crazy high on the RSI, like the level that we're at right now, for it to roll over. Just be aware of that, which in terms that folks might understand is creating a buying opportunity. The show is not financial advice and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is the weird song. What I want to say about AMC is if you're not sitting here and day trading a stock with this type of volatility, what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing in chat. So much fun. And then what are the options like on AMC?
It's probably blown through a lot of its strikes. I don't have an options chain pulled up here. Let me see if I can get one pulled up.
Yeah, but when I'm talking about day trading for options, I'm talking about in the money, expiring this week.
No,
what does it cost for a call? What does it cost for a put? Aggressive here on the price target for AMC. I'm thinking the guys, this may or may not come to fruition. It's 1 p.m. I mean, sheesh, it might actually happen. So what I'm doing here with AMC is I just drew a little bull pennant, and I'm measuring the high point of my pennant down to the low point of the pennant. That is called the measured move. So you've got the swing high and the swing lower. Those first two little moves in this area where price highs and price lows are condensing together and making a little triangle shape. And then when you measure that using the line tool on your platform, you measure that, you add that to the point where the price breaks out of that upper line. And then that is how you find your price target. That's your price prediction or price forecast. But I mean, look at this puppy go. And then remember, RSI, let's keep it in mind. So right now I'm on the 1 minute chart, guys. 1 minute chart AMC. I thought I was on 10. I'm on the 1 minute. The RSI, we're not super overbought right now. So still some steam to go. And like if history is anything to tell, we know that this is a stock that comes well into play during the last couple hours of trading and even into the aftermarket because.
You want to see some or you want to hear some bids on AMC options?
I do.
Okay, so I just pulled up an options chain in Thinkorswim. So the
share screen, dude. You don't have to. Okay.
I mean,
options.
I mean, I can. It's not like it's not even.
Is there just a website that tells you the? Oh yeah, barchart.com. We need this on Benzinga.
Yeah, I know. So anyway, if I can just arbitrarily choose here, let's look at. So first of all, the June 4th, the June 4th calls that that expire in 2 days, are trading for. Let's see, the $60
in the money. What's the first in the money call?
Yeah,
trading for. How much does it cost?
Hey guys,
$15.
Guys, I have a news alert. Do you know AMC is going crazy today?
I did know that.
Okay, so why is it not in the title?
Let's put it.
I'm serious. You want more viewers? Get AMC in the damn title.
Wait,
I don't want to just title the videos just so we can get viewers. That's not what this is about. I'm here to give people what they want. Not everyone wants AMC. They'll get it when they know they're going to get what they want when they get here. But I don't want to just
come on. Neil.
I don't. Here's the thing. I don't want to trick people. I'm not trying to work the system like that.
Really?
No, not really. All right, maybe we should change. Okay, what's the title right now, Spencer?
No, I'm just
Spencer.
saying,
What's the title right now?
Come on.
Jim Stocks is so right now, by the way, Neil. He just goes, you can always tell when Jason's losing or making money. If I'm losing money, I'm in a piss off mood, okay?
Yeah,
and I'm a jerk. Okay. And so Neil, your title's not bad. You just need to have AMC to the moon or AMC something in your title, and you'll double your listeners right now.
Jason,
okay? I want you to know this is the state of financial media.
Jason, I want to know what you think of the thumbnail, though. How good is the thumbnail?
Oh, wait, I didn't see it. Hold on.
Wait, we had a cool AMC thumbnail for Power Hour too.
No, you didn't. No, not.
What is? Okay, so okay.
Okay, I see it. The thumbnail is good. The only thing I would say is the AMC round balls, those little balls, could be a little bigger. Like if you're seeing like on like an iPhone, I don't know how big it is.
Quote them, guys.
Like it could be you need AMC. You need bigger balls. Can you make some bigger balls of the red? Can you make bigger red balls? I mean blue ball. I mean red balls. Sorry.
I can try.
Okay.
So the title of the YouTube video right now is "Insane Man with a Mullet Gives You Stock Picks."
It's actually stock, no, because market price predictions. It's actually not a bad title. You just need to somehow throw AMC to the moon in there, and
just do ellipses AMC too. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
Wait, what's an ellipses?
Three
so
dots.
Benzinga, the print media news organization, here with your lessons on grammar. The 3 dots ... is called an ellipses.
Wait, they want us to cut your mullet. No, we are not cutting his mullet. I'll tell you a story about Neil. One time we did cut it. He had a mullet and we did cut it and he like freaked out. So not doing it. And Benzinga is a news organization, but just not on the shows. The shows is where the personality comes out. All right, I'm leaving. This is Neil's show. I just want to get okay.
You just want AMC in the title. That's it.
That's it.
We got it. All right, right.
All right, that's it. I don't mean to ever come in and disrupt. I just had to say that, okay? And guess who's here, Neil? Guess who's here?
Producer AB.
I've never been so excited in my whole life. Envier.
Oh, Enver's here. Enver's my man. I've been talking to that guy a lot.
Love that guy. I love that guy. Oh my God, love that guy. All right, I'll see you later. Sorry, guys. I'll really log off. All right, peace.
All right, bye.
I thought he was in the office. I was like, no, Enver's not in the office. That'd be insane. Okay.
All right, Jason's waiting around, so you better kick him because he's gonna. All right, there you go.
Okay, so you got the $65 calls that expire next week. You can buy those for $27.
They're 60. Wait. In the money calls for AMC expiring Friday are 0.65 on the brokerage on the chain you're looking at.
This is the 11th. This is next Friday. Wait,
yeah. Well, of course, because okay, that makes sense. I'm assuming the puts are a bit higher.
What is the current bid for a put?
I can't with this group anymore, guys. Help me, guys. Chat, help me with this group.
Anyway,
Aaron. Oh God! All right, guys. What stocks do you want to talk about? Oh, the
AMC.
65. Oh, you mean the strike price? All right, thank you, Zilcho.
Oh, I think we got $70 on AMC. I'm sorry, Neil, but if AMC's at 70 right now, we might need a live update.
All right, I'm about
my land.
Okay, I just removed both producers. So let's see. I'm going to go to the 1 minute chart on AMC and see if it hit the price. Guys, insane man with mullet makes stock market price predictions. All right, this is happening live. All right, so let's see. We're getting some decent volume on that last one. We are overbought though, so we're gonna get this down candle. Of course, we're gonna get this reversal. This is the 1 minute chart. This candle is a bit of an engulfing candle. Look at it go. So we are gonna get a reversal here. The next candle is going to be red after this on the 1 minute. I almost guarantee it. So let's get our pivot points in here. The friend of any day trader. Oh God, why do they not show up on the minute? Okay, guys, don't worry. We're gonna go through AMC. I'm doing this under duress, but I'm actually having fun. So we'll switch to the 10-minute chart.
I knew you were a fun guy.
Get back in your box. Those guys are too much for me sometimes. All right, look at that price prediction on AMC. That was a bull pennant. So we get a little bit more aggressive with this thing and use the whole poll. So if we go down to 1 minute, let's get a better look at what's going on. So coming out of this period of consolidation up into our impulsive move, I'm fine using 44.94 as the line that I'll draw the poll on. So we'll go ahead and go like this, add that to the apex, which is where our two lines of support and resistance meet. Holy cannoli, guys. Insane man with mullet predicts prices on stock market, AMC. Put it in the title. So yeah, there you go. So we have already hit our price target for this bull pennant that formed on AMC. Textbook stuff, guys. Textbook stuff. So now what we've got up here, it didn't fully form the engulfing. So we'll see at the close. Oh no, it's already closed. But like I said, guys, we are getting that reversal to the downside. So we're going to be looking for support right about here. Let me draw a line. Looking for support right around there. And then we'll see what happens next. This isn't really a tradable pattern for me. Unfortunately, I don't know how to get the pivot points to... Like, we're so high above resistance on the pivot points that they just don't work right now, apparently. So what's up, guys? Are there any other tickers that you guys want to look at? We've got AMC. I'm AMC'd out of my brain right now. The CEO of Benzinga literally just came in and told me I had to talk about AMC. I feel like we've done it. We can let it cool off for a few minutes to find another entry, unless you want to take the short side now. I know that's like against everyone's religion, but you can make money as this thing goes up and down, whilst still holding a net long position. Believe it or not. AHT, ding, ding, ding. Matthew, thank you. Let's go AHC. What a stock, what a rat snack, guys. Who this is a pick from chat. I'm going to go to the monthly on AHC. Who here in chat, if you're here, who was the one that suggested AHT? Let me know. I want to know who you are. I want to see your beautiful face because this stock rules. Why? Because it absolutely found its bottom and it's doing the damn thing. It's coming back up. We'll switch to the daily. What do we get when I get my pivot points out of the way? We get the 50-day crossing above the 200-day simple moving averages, which causes this on my chart with my parameter set, green bar, which is a golden cross. It's an indication that this thing's about to go parabolic or parabolic, meaning like straight up as it quickly approaches zero, but in a good way. That's just the math definition. That's calculus definition. You can see we're hitting resistance exactly at where this previous high was. This is the resistance to breakthrough. But keep in mind, guys, we're looking at our RSI. We are overbought right now. So I'm going to expect some consolidation right here. Now, something really interesting to watch for with AHT is switching to the weekly chart. How much did we move and how long did it take? I'm switching to the weekly. Yes, this stock has moved up 230% in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. 6 weeks, this stock has moved up 230%. That means that if it does not fall or correct lower than 25% from its current level, which I'll actually measure, I'll measure from the high here. That's totally fine. We'll go down to 25%. I'll draw a line in the sand, which no surprise at all, lines up perfectly with the body open of this red candle. So I'm going to draw a line. If this stock does not go lower than this line right here, you're setting yourself up for a high tight flag and another great entry with 50% return potential. The great thing about this stock, though, is overall it is a rounding bottom pattern, and we've got these key levels that we're trying to hit here. So I'm going to set my price alerts. I'm not even going to use price. I'm just going to use lines. Right here and right here. You can see them. They're all set up for you. They were in the past. These are the levels that we're hoping to hit with this beautiful, beautiful Ashford Hospitality Trust REIT stock. Okay, so guys, that was a really quick one. So checking back in with AMC, this is compulsory. Yep, so we're getting our little consolidation here. This is on the 1 minute. Not really any clear swings like we had here, which was like a beautiful price structure. It made it very obvious we could set up a bull pennant, which is, guys, the bull pennant is the most reliable bullish continuation pattern there is. It happens all the time. It's the Starbucks of price patterns. And look how I hit these price targets perfectly. It's incredible. So that's AMC. We're looking for that downward. We're looking for that support here at 62. Looks like we might hit it during this candle session, which ends in 43 seconds. But we'll come back to that. What other ones do you got? What else you got? Zach Morris. Oh, Zach Morris said it was Zach Morris on Twitter.
AHT was the Zach.
Okay, we're doing this without producers today. Here's why. The producers are extremely disorganized, and I feel like they're confederizing against me. All right. Oh, you just removed me, huh? What game are you playing?
Nobody puts baby in a box.
In a box. All right, yeah. Nobody puts baby in a box. All right. What are we gonna hit? EOG. Let's go.
If you hit back-to-back price targets on the dot on AMC, I'll be shocked.
I literally just did.
Well, no, you hit the top one. I'm saying you got to hit the resistance too, or the support.
I literally did. We got my conservative target and then my aggressive target.
So, but I'm just saying now, if it bounces off that 62, then that's when I'll be like, holy shit, this guy's a wizard. This guy with a mullet might actually be onto something here.
I like that. I like the sounds of that. All right. Put that in the movie trailer. I like that.
All right, I'm getting back to my...
Nobody puts baby in a box. Okay, guys. So what are we looking at? EOG? Yeah, nobody puts baby in a corner is the quote that he was riffing on. Producer AB is a man of culture. You got to give him that. Ooh, what a beautiful trend this thing is in. Beautiful upward trend. The two lines I have on my chart are the purple one is the 10-week moving average. excuse me, in the yellow is the 65-day moving average. First one comes from Samantha Leduc, great trading educator. Second one comes from Andy Cole of Mighty Soldiers Trades, another great trading educator. Both are used for stocks that are in upward trends as great support lines, so we can see them bouncing off of these. Love it, love it, love it. And then probably the reason that it's being pointed out right now is, one, it's just in a great trend, and it has had a double bottom that it's reversed out of. And everyone knows that I like to slap big fat double bottoms anytime I get the chance, like it's my job. Something to keep in mind is pretty much at what I would imagine is resolution of this double bottom, which I'll measure now by going from the absolute low to the meat of the trading here. And the reason I'm saying this is the meat of the trading, instead of going to this very tippy top of the ass crack here on our double bottom, I'm going to go up to where the ensuing swing high is, and then also look at these swing highs here. This is the meat of the trading here. In fact, if I were to, I'll go ahead and prove it using volume by price. So just for this time period, let's see where most of the trading was. Yeah, it's lower, right? So that using volume by price, the majority of trading, or the volume, was lower than this little ass crack thing that's sticking up out of the plumber pants. So we're removing that. We're going to take this thing even just a little bit lower to the high of this to the high of this candle right here. So let's bring that down just like that. And then we're going to add it to the same level. Call that the neckline of our pattern. And then, ooh. So we even got higher than that. This thing is looking really good. Let's see it. Let's use a ruler tool and see if the ass crack actually came to fruition. Nope. So it just went a little, it was like in between where the volume profile was and where the ass crack was. But this should still be a testament to you. So I've measured the absolute lowest point up to where it currently is right now, where it stopped at a previous resistance. The middle line right here is kind of showing you where you would have wanted to draw your neckline. And that's what's lining up with these resistance levels right here. And just notice it is lower than that little ass crack on your double bottom. So anyways, I mean, give that double bottom a slap anyways. EOG, look at it. I mean, classic, just corrective move with a breakout. In fact, it gapped up, but still hitting this resistance. So something that you're going to look in now is it overbought? No, it's still got some room to go. So EOG, will we get above resistance? I don't know, but I know that there's a chance we can because we're not super overbought yet. If we were overbought, I would say, yeah, it's definitely going to take a dive after this. But no, we can break out. We can have another breakout. Looking at this, trying to find some sort of price structure that's meaningful here. Not really a cup with handle or anything like that. This is just a really loosely defined double bottom here. Not a really big reversal. This is something that if you read like Investor Business Daily, or if you're a William O'Neill fan, who's a great forerunner of technical analysis, you see this a lot in his charts. You would see a pattern going up like this, and one of these things, and that's still defined as a double bottom. But the double bottoms we like here are following a downward trend, and then you get left cheek, right cheek, and then you get big returns that way. So at any rate, what's up next, guys? Let's check out AMC. Switching down to the 1 minute chart. So something I want to say to Aaron Bree. Number one is I kind of got it close. This candle kind of closed like right on my line, but it looks like we're going down to this previous resistance using this as support for the moment. Could go down even lower. The problem is I can't really get my pivot points on here. Let's get the Fibonacci out, or the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I'm going to go to the previous swing low, and then I'm going to go up to this high, which I have to condense my prices to get that in there. Is that lining up the right way, or should I anchor it differently? Maybe I should do that at the breakout point. Boom, there you go. So I've anchored my Fibonacci 1 at the apex of the bull pennant that I drew earlier, right? At that level, and then I put the high of my Fibonacci at the highest that we've had in the past, 20 minutes. And you can see that the 78 is right where we're holding support here on AMC. Will it be a bounce? I don't know. You need a 1 minute candle to confirm whether it's a bounce or not. For some reason, we're not getting countdowns here. So let me switch back. Where's my countdown? Okay, so I don't know how much time is left on this 1 minute candle. before the next one starts. But what we're looking for is a green candle. And since we're on the 1 minute, I would like to see a green candle with a body close that's higher than the previous one to indicate a reversal to the upside. Is it halted? No, it's not halted. It's going. Maybe it was like a super short halt. It was halted. So there you go. There we go. So this candle, we want to see a bullish engulfing candle, meaning that the body is larger than the previous one. I don't know what you call that in the strat. Any stratters here? What do you call a candle? Just is that an outside? Is that a 2? That'd be a 2-2 reversal. Here it freaking goes, guys. All right, so that was your bounce, guys. AMC, that was your entry. And now, oh God, look at this, beautiful. So the targets are just based on the lines in our Fibonacci retracement right here. That's it. We don't have a clearly defined price pattern to set like really easy price targets like I did with this bullish pennant. Right now, we're just using the retracement. So from this bounce, you targeted the first one. And guess what? It started to pull back as soon as you got there. So that was a sell target. And then now you're waiting for a re-entry. So you're looking for some form of consolidation to make that easy. I would be looking for a bounce off this lower one for an entry to this, targeting this, and then targeting this. Pivot points here would be extremely useful. In lieu of pivot points, we're just using the Fibonacci. All right, guys. I don't know if Aaron Bree is going to count that as a price prediction because I did it afterwards. So, yeah, it's actually not more of a price recollection. All right, so let's hit another stock, CRSR. Sheesh. Okay, well, it's broken above the 10-week and the 65-day. So what it... Oh, Corsair Gaming. Nice. Okay. So, guys, easy stuff right here. Bada boom, bada bing. All right? Bada boom, bada bing. That's Spencer Israel's catchphrase. He says that every time he says that at every meeting we have. Bada boom, bada bing. How's everyone doing? Everyone have a good weekend? All right, bada boom, bada bing. I'm Spencer Israel. Yep, double bottom. It's not an easy one. It doesn't look just like a big juicy summertime ass, but it is a double bottom nonetheless. So we treat it as such. We've got the meat of the trading. Let's see what the meat of the trading was. Let's look at these resistance levels. I'm on the daily. Sometimes it's helpful to just go up to a bigger time frame so you can get more clearly defined candles. So I'm going to say the meat of the trading is the body of this middle one right here. So I'm going to draw my line in the sand at the body open for this red candle on April 5th and say that's the threshold that we need to break out of or that we're heading toward. All right, let's switch back down to the daily. And then we can do this fun. Well, I don't even know if it's like useful at this point. This thing is just crazy. This one might have a little more sideways action. I would at most target 34.53 on this one on Corsair. Why? Because I don't know of any other like isn't here what's the headphone? Is it here? Turtle Beach? Ooh, okay, here's Turtle Beach, baby. Let's go. Turtle Beach with the ascending triangle reversal pattern. There you go. Price target for Turtle Beach is the swing high to the swing low added to the breakout point or the resistance level, which we can actually raise up a little bit, I think. But we'll be conservative and keep this low, 38.15, but watch out for that breakout. Let's see if the Fibonacci agrees. We'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the high down to the swing low, drag it across to the right so that we can see. Yeah, okay, that's way out there. Not entirely useful. At any rate, how about pivot points? Let's see if those are working out right now. And what I'm looking for, guys, is future resistance before that price target. Obviously, we're going to get future resistance at the all-time high. This is here, Turtle Beach, headphones, peripherals for gaming. Super overbought. Keep that in mind. So right now, I think it's just going to hit this resistance level. Okay. What are we looking at next? CRM, baby. Salesforce. Someone called that out the other day. No, this is the weird song. I'm going to stop it before it starts. It's one with the babies talking. It freaks me out. It makes me think I have schizophrenia. Okay, so we drew a nice line. Let me get rid of these pivot points so we can be very clear on this, and then we'll check on AMC again. A nice line of resistance as CRM trended down with a turnaround in its trend starting in September of last year. So nice line. And look, the second we got back up to it, when we were ready to break out, we gapped out. Really, really nice. What we're looking for now is even if we go a bit lower from where we are, we're looking to maintain this level of support. All right. So that's something to be mindful of, is that trend line. Go ahead and use that. Always draw your lines, guys. When you're drawing lines that are simple trend lines, draw them on the right side of your candlesticks. So if you have a trend that is going down, like CRM is right now, you're going to draw your line on the right side of your candlesticks. So in that case, you're in a downward trend. Your line is the resistance. Then when you're in an upward trend and you're drawing your line on the right side, your line is actually support. In both cases, that's a line that you're hitting and looking for a bounce off of. So in this case, CRM, that's a short. That's time to go short when it hits it, unless it breaks out, right? And I would go short, not with actually selling short, because it's extremely dangerous, not my style, and I'm not that advanced. I would buy puts when that would have happened. Now we're outside of that bullish regime on Salesforce. We are now in what looks like it could be, out of that bearish regime. We are now in what looks like it could become a bullish regime with our double bottom. So if I remove this line and then remove everything else, and put things in perspective like this, you can really see that we've got a double bottom here, right? So, sometimes it helps you erase your lines and look at your chart differently. Don't get too married to the things you've already drawn. So in this case, we do have the W. We are retesting the neckline. The meat of the trading is pretty easy to find here because we've got these resistance levels here. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw my neckline for this right here. We are broken out and we are holding this level as our support. Now for having broken out of this double bottom. Price target for the double bottom is the absolute lowest point to your neckline, added to your neckline, which gets you to 267.89. Profit potential from right here, 14%. All right, let's check into AMC again. Going down to the 1 minute. Guys, what'd I say? You got that nice little consolidation. Now let's see if this is something we can really trade with and use as an entry. I'm not really seeing it. I wish I could. Can I go down shorter than 1 minute? Oh, yeah, I can. All right, so we're going to look at the 15-second chart here on AMC. Let's go. 15-second chart on AMC. Guys, you already see it. You already see it right here. Where's my... Boom, boom. This line, I would be targeting right now, if you're absolutely day trading this, absolutely scalping this, we're measuring from the lowest point here up to the neckline, which I'll actually do with my line tool, and then targeting 68.41, and we'll see if this resolves. It's going to hit resistance at these levels, of course, but we take the stairs up, we take the elevator down. Yeah, scalper's dream for sure. Ooh, rejected. All right, that would be a failed breakout, guys. That's what we call a failed breakout. It happens. We hit resistance here. We got on the 15-second chart, we got a bearish engulfing candle. This is why we set stops in every entry that we have. Always setting your stops. Breakouts. Here's a lesson. This is a good learning opportunity. From failed moves come fast moves. That's something to keep in your memory. When you're setting up for a breakout and it doesn't make it, it's going to go in the opposite direction faster than you can possibly imagine. From failed moves come fast moves. This is a classic failed breakout on that double bottom pattern that I found on the 15-second chart. Let's see how this looks on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's a big old bearish engulfing. So let's see if it's going to get all the way back down to our support level. It looks like we're getting some buyers are coming in right here at about, looks like support from a few minutes ago, 64. The buyers are losing to the sellers, coming down to about 62 on the Fibonacci, and then it might come all the way down to 59. I'd be watching these two as support levels. So make sure you got your Fibonacci drawn up here. From 56 up to the previous high here. All right, I want to look at UltraSafe. What is this? A condom company? What is this? I don't know what UltraSafe. I typed it in. It's not. Nothing comes up. Is this a real thing? What is, I've seen it a few times, and now I can't find it.
Is it a crypto?
Ultra USD. What's the ticker on it? US Well Services.
USWS. Try that.
Oh, that's US Well Services Incorporated.
Oh well, beats me.
Listed on CMC yesterday, and marketing campaign began a week ago. Still early. Wait, CR. What? Talk to me.
It's a new coin.
Wait, you're not supposed to stay in since shut up. Those guys are clowning. It's on PooCoin. Oh, it's a shit coin. It might not be. They probably don't have the data for it on TradingView. TradingView has to and everyone we at Benzinga too, for Benzinga Pro, we need to subscribe and pay the exchanges for the price data for their tape so that we can have it live for you.
Do you want me to follow up with Pierce? Wait, well, I was supposed to follow him up about something else. I forgot.
I tried to say Pierce was looking for a new iPhone. I was trying to sell him my iPhone 7 for $200, and he like basically just shooed me away. He brushed me off. So let him know if he still like the offer's still there if he wants.
Was he lowballing you?
I mean, I'll be honest. I was lowballing him. $200 for an iPhone 7.
Well, you were highballing him.
Oh, yeah. I guess you're right. I don't do deals a lot. Yeah. All right, NNDM. All right, we are back in nano world. What is the stuff that I drew on this thing? Let me delete everything that I've drawn on this thing. Meh. The volume's low today. It's below average. I don't know if you can see that down here. Came out of earnings without a huge pop. Yeah, not interested. All right, what else you guys got? We'll check on AMC again. If you guys want to check on coins, let me know. But that one UltraSafe just doesn't have data on TradingView, so we can't chart it.
Yo, can we look at Build-A-Bear?
What's the ticker?
BBW.
I just typed barbecue. All right, Build-A-Bear.
I said BBW.
Yeah. All right, Build-A-Bear workshop. Let's get to the monthly.
Oof. Sheesh. Ramon is saying don't buy UltraSafe. It's a rug pull. By the way, if anyone in the comments right now has ever gotten rug pulled, reach out to me at powerhour@benzinga.com. We're doing a deep dive into rug pulls, and we're looking to interview someone who's been rug pulled in the past.
Yeah, I mean BBW is double bottom for sure. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
I mean, so there you go. I mean, one of my favorite categories of stocks. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, it's hitting its price target right now. It's about to hit it, which is, oh my God. So what I just did to find the meat of the trading in the middle of this ass crack here on a double bottom on BBW was I use an anchored volume profile or volume by price tool for just the candles that make up this sort of swing high in here. And if I move this down, you can see the red line. That's the point of control. That's where I drew my line. I said, okay, that's the neckline. That's where the meat of the trading is. Now let me delete that volume profile and demonstrate that that lines almost perfectly up with resistance from the swing high. I just moved it down a little bit just to make it line up with that because I'd rather go by price than just volume profile. The swing high before we just took a huge plummet down, which is really where you want your neckline to be. There's always, when you're talking about these big juicy double bottoms, there's always a little last gasp of air before you come down. So at any rate, BBW looks like it's super overbought, guys. It looks like it's going to hit this resistance level and consolidate. It really just has to. That's just, it's either going to be a little downward or a little sideways thing, probably downward, probably a pullback. But if you're looking for full resolution of this double bottom, if we do this just by the textbook, let's get our line tool out. We'll go to the absolute lowest point, which is actually over here on April 1. No joke, going up to that neckline, and then we're adding that height or the difference between two prices to the neckline, which is going to get us a little bit higher than its all-time high, which is right after its IPO. Chances are, if this thing does indeed break out of the neckline, if it does, it will be big moves. It will probably hit the neckline again, and it will probably get just about to that all-time high before having a little pullback. Okay, so let's check GME.
GME. They sell used video games
And NFTs.
and little cool like Pokemon collectibles. Have you seen those? Mario.
Yes, I love those. Wait, what is on my chart? Okay. So let's see if I was right about this one. Let's use the ruler. Maybe from the breakout. Nope, I'm never right about anything. All right, so I'm deleting all the stuff. We're looking at GME. Not nearly as much volume as AMC today. AMC is where it is happening. Let's get down to the 1 minute here. Not nearly as much volume. Used NFTs. Yeah. Dude, I can't look at Ultra Save in here. We can look at Doge USD. Delete everything. I like Doge right now. So this is the daily on Doge, anchoring at the high, then anchoring kind of like at the middle here. Doesn't really do anything for us. All right, so that doesn't work. But I mean, clearly we just, actually maybe this does work. Let me get my ray tool. Trying to anchor it at this. It needs to be anchored higher. This one, nope, it needs to be anchored on that one. So we've broken out of like this downward trend and into a sideways trend. We'll need to see if we get higher highs and higher lows to have a firmly established upward trend. But I mean, right when this one started to reverse, that should have been a good entry sign for a lot of traders. So this is the daily on Doge. Cryptocurrency also very easy to day trade. Unfortunately, you can't use options for leverage, but a lot of brokerages allow you to just use leverage, which is kind of cray. So your risk on the upside is matched on the downside, just a little bit different from options. I actually personally haven't done it yet. Give me a 1 in chat if you have used leverage on your crypto brokerage. Okay, how can I? Okay, I'm going to chart Ultra. Because chat is pumping Ultra, I'm going to look it up. Yeah, Dash I liked. Dash is that's my horse in this race right now. Why? Because it has a huge like a perfect rounding bottom. So you can see I've been here before. it fell out when everything fell out of this nice upward trend. I was trading Dash. I was swing trading Dash on Kraken before I switched over to Binance. But this is what you want, guys. This is what you want to see. In fact, so let me delete all my drawings here. With Dash, although this is a little bit disconcerting. Let me get my golden cross tool on here. You can see the golden cross right here with a lot of cryptos when they're about to go parabolic. You get that nice golden cross, which is your 50 crossing above your 200-day moving average. So if I delete everything, I delete these. I mean, guys, this is just a big broad base, big rounding bottom, guys. It's beautiful.
We love those.
Yeah, we do. I feel like we might say that too much, but you know what? It's the way it is. So the price target from any level here is going to be the previous all-time high, which is significant. That's like 350%. Ramen noodle, keep going. Ramon is the best pets. Google Ultra Safe Finance. Spell finance. All right, we're on the official website. We are officially. I'm not gonna say that we're pumping a shitcoin.
No, apparently, someone in the chat told me this is the future of crypto. So.
Okay. Okay, so good. On its architecture, it says safe, so that's legit. All right, how to buy? That's the question. Yep. You got to type in the address. Yep. Okay. So is what's better, guys? Give me a 1 if you like Ultra Safe. Give me a 2 if you like Clue Coin. This one says manifesting instead of loading on its screen. So that's how you can tell it's futuristic.
Yeah. I mean, okay. How did they find us? Do we have like Ultra Safe in the description or something?
No, we got straight up trolls in the chat. That's it. So all right, so we're done with that, guys. What tickers do you want to look at? Dash, I think, is a great one. This little breakdown I don't like. I do like it if it starts to get above. That's why I have a price alert here. I like Dash if it starts to get above this level here, which is this previous swing high 335. Once we start getting above that, I'm looking at this like a big rounding bottom recovery, not unlike what we had with Bitcoin in 2020. A price target on AMD. Well, AMD is a hot mess, yo. All right, so let's look at the weekly chart.
I don't know why anyone would own AMD over Nvidia. My take. Sorry, AMD.
They're not. It's not an either-or situation. In my computer right now is an Nvidia graphics card and an AMD CPU. So AMD dominates the CPU space because they're affordable and more performant than their equivalent class in Intel, which doesn't have. There's no product category offered for that by Nvidia, so they're not like comparable in that way.
Well, I just was more so saying like stock wise, I think Nvidia is like one of my all-time favorite stocks, and I feel like AMD. Well, actually, AMD over the past 5 years might have a better return than
over the
Nvidia.
Summer, baby. AMD fucking was killing it over the summer. I mean, just look at the trend over.
You can cuss on here. You let it out. Let it out.
All right, over the previous summer, this was killer, dude. I was buying calls all summer on AMD.
Just printing money. You were printing money like Powell.
Printing money like Jay Powell. So guys, this is a head and shoulders pattern. That's it. So yeah. So the neckline here on this head and shoulders. Head and shoulders are a reversal pattern to the downside. So I would think unless we get a ton of buying volume, which we're kind of getting, I would think that this thing is probably going to bounce around this level right here, this like 85, 91, 86 level, and then maybe take a little tumble, and that tumble would probably find support when I measure the high down to this neckline, and then I add it to the neckline, and then when I turn this sideways, it's going to line up with previous support. Look at how it does. I would say my price target for this, if we pass down through here, my price target is going to be 47.83, which is this previous support at this period of consolidation. You're really going to have to break back up above these shoulder levels before I think you could safely get bullish on this one. Yes, I know if you're looking at the short term that this just looks like a trend reversal. Oh man, I drew too much. So if I delete this stuff, delete everything actually. I delete this stuff and I just draw my little downward trend thing. You can look at this like, yes, it's sort of gapped out of this downward trend, but you gotta see the bigger picture, which is, you know, this looks like a head and shoulders to me, or at the very least, if you don't want to call it head and shoulders, that's fine. Looks like a top, and that's, I mean, it's a great company. They have great products, but now investors just are sort of still fleeing into value. MJO. What? This is the weekly for MJO. Let's look at the daily. Nope. This is a double leveraged. They call it an ETN. This is a day trade. This is a day trading tool.
ETN.
It's an ETF. I don't know why it says ETN. So okay. So looking through the pumps, trying to find the picks. Let's check back in on AMD or AMC rather. Down to the 1 minute. Still getting resistance at that level. I don't really see anything price structure wise that's super interesting. Other than you can potentially treat this like a double bottom and look at a breakout here and then target 64.53. So you do a breakout from, which is doing, it's breaking out right now, targeting 64.56 very easily. Again, just using the simple tool of the Fibonacci retracement. This is above average volume.
And Neil, what does this company do again?
AMC? I don't know what companies do. I just look at their charts. I just know what their stocks do. Just kidding. AMC is my favorite theater. The one in Michigan was always the best theater. That's where I went and saw a lot of movies. Let's do plug. All right.
I don't even know another like is like Warenberg. Is that national?
Warenberg?
Okay, maybe that was just
Warner Brothers, brother?
That was just a Missouri thing, I guess. That was like the other theater besides the AMC.
We have Stars out here.
I never heard of that.
Which I think is also now an AMC brand.
Is AMC owned by China? A Chinese conglomerate did buy AMC and actually took them public, but they sold all their shares. So not anymore. Jim knows what I'm talking about. Jim from Missouri.
Plug. I'm not really interested in plug right now, guys. I want to see a lot. Look, maybe. So it is coming out of this trend, but I would want to see more strength in the sector overall. No, I don't want to get caught off guard after it already happens. I don't want to miss it and have FOMO. But everything follows Tesla. You're talking about batteries. So this is Tesla with a nice little channel that I drew on it. But it's still trading sideways. Meh. Oh, Reddit acquired AMC. That's insane.
When is Reddit gonna go public? That would be the ultimate Reddit stock, right?
I think everyone that's on Reddit hates Reddit, so I don't think that they would invest in it. Can I chart naked? Yeah, I often do, but I don't do it for the show. They make me wear a shirt.
That was pretty good.
Thanks, dude. Lord, man. Okay, all right.
All right, now I feel bad because the ultra safe guys have like turned a tide and now they're being nice. So maybe
I can't pull up ultra safe. What's the ticker? You maniacs! Does it have a ticker? Is it the whole damn thing? Ultra safe. Where's the ticker? Okay, Control F ticker on their website. Nothing. Is Dave literally here? Is this you? Are you in chat right now,
Dude,
Dave?
Those
Don't
are all
look
stock,
at me like that,
those
Dave.
are all stock photos of random people on the internet.
And Matt. Matt, are you sure you're ready for this, Matt?
Matt just finished his sophomore year at
No,
of high school.
Listen. Matt needs to go to Hot Sam's. That's all I got to say.
Matt looks like Logan Ross's little brother.
I know we can't be. Yeah, who's a good-looking guy. We're not being mean to the creators of this currency. Definitely looks like a family down the street that got together and made a coin. But it could be the future. It could absolutely be the future.
You heard it here first. Ultra safe could be the future of crypto. Per Neil Hamilton
I'm gonna tweet that later.
of Benzinga.
You got to go on the PooCoin charts. Okay, PooCoin. Google Images. Imagine if like Joel was here right now from pre-market prep, and it's like you have to go to PooCoin, chart it. All right, guys. All right, we're on PooCoin charts. All right, so we're gonna do. Oh, yeah, if it's so important. Okay, so filter by token name, ultra safe. We got it, boys and gal, and the few gals that are here.
Whoa!
What? They're using TradingView. What the f? Wait, it's ultra BNB. Oh, you can't do it by USD. Wait, or can you? BNB, BUSD. Is it just BUSD? Oh, it's yeah. You can only put it against other cryptocurrencies. That's why I wasn't able to get it. God, you guys are crazy. All right, so we're looking at PooCoin, or we're looking at Ultra Safe right now on the 15-minute chart. I don't want that. I want to look at the daily. I want to see how old this thing is. What? Okay, so this is the very limited version of the TradingView API that's on PooCoin .app, no less. .tv must have been taken. So okay, looking like a chart that is trading sideways.
We're seeing some consolidation here, Neil.
You definitely are, but the moves are huge. I mean, look, I would love to trade this thing if it was easier to trade. Can you guys day trade this?
Someone in chat, can I just Venmo you to buy me some Ultra Safe, and then you can Venmo me back once the moon rockets?
Yeah, guys, put your Venmo address in chat. Producer AB sends you some money. Put it toward some smart investments, smart retirement investments.
Yeah, I wonder if I can buy this in my Roth.
All right, guys. I mean, I don't hate it. I just don't know how to day trade it. If I have to like use Trust Wallet, so you just swap it. So you just swap it back and forth whenever you want to enter and exit. Got it. This is where like the millionaires are made, is when you get in on this stuff. Yeah. So I don't know. I might do it later. I'll let you know if I decide to do that. But this isn't something that I can go into Binance and buy and sell, can I? Because they don't even have fiat pairs yet. What's up next, Aaron?
We have Moon or Bust, where we talk about poo coins, shit coins, altcoins. So if anyone's here trying to find Ultra Safe to talk about Ultra Safe, just hang out on the stream and this will automatically direct you. YouTube's got a cool feature. YouTube's parent company, Google.
All right. So stick around for some more cryptocurrency stuff. They know a lot more about the stuff than I do. I just look at the charts. I don't care what the asset is. I just look at the charts and I trade it. So I do that on Binance. If Ultra Safe was on Binance, I'd be trading it right now because it does look like those swings are highly profitable. So yeah, whatever. Cool. So at any rate, I hope this was enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for tuning in. We did have a special guest. Spencer Israel even brought his beard. I saw the little strap, the spaghetti strap from the bikini that he wears underneath his shirts every day. So great to know that he's getting in the summer mood. So hopefully you guys are too. It's bikini weather, guys. getting ready for the summertime, trading those summertime stocks. Lots of opportunities still out here. Well, I feel like there's so much we didn't get to. I didn't even get to talk about X. Metals are still happening. XME, the ETF for metals. X is a great stock there. AHT, great stock. I like AHT. Anyways, I don't have any more time to look at anything else. So thanks for all your suggestions, guys. You guys have been awesome. Ultra Safe to the moon. AMC to the moon. I hope you guys
AMD to the moon too. Why not?
AMD to the moon too. Although I think it's hit a top and it's going to go down a little bit before it bounces back up.
And they're saying Ultra loves you, Neil. We love Ultra back.
Yeah, we love that whole family. Hold on, let's get another look at them really quick.
Of Dave. Are you talking about Dave and his wife and kids? Matt.
Yeah, where are they? Or was that Cluecoin? Oh no, here they are. We love the whole family here at Benzinga. All right, so if you guys want to smash the like if you want to get the whole Ultra Safe family on the show. We'll get them on the show. As long as they're 18 or older. This is an 18 or older program. We'll get them on the show. I think that's going to cut our opportunities in half here. So at any rate, guys, this has been what day is it? Wednesday,
and we will see y'all back on
Get Technical. And producer AB back in your box. Wait, Monday? We're not doing a show tomorrow?
We have our cannabis.
Okay, so there's a cannabis event that you guys can tune into tomorrow to learn about how to invest in great opportunities in cannabis. I'm Neil Hamilton. With me, as always, has been producer Aaron Bree. Follow us both on Twitter for pictures of us right after we get out of the shower of like flexing our stomach muscles, and also trade ideas sometimes. Otherwise, thanks so much for tuning in. Stay around for Moon or Bust and have a good one. Happy trading.